Hey everyone, it is Sunday morning at about 1:48 a.m. Gonna go ahead and do the 2-box 2011-2012 Panini Limited Hockey Break that ended earlier tonight. I got box number 9 and box number 10. I actually put the serial numbers in the auction, so I'll read them off real quick. NE991 21289. There you go. And box 10 is NE992 79134. There you go. List of winners. Thanks a lot for the fast payment. I think pretty much received it from everybody, so no problem doing this. And I'm as excited as you guys are, so let's get it started. First we'll do box 9, then box 10. I'll just leave this sitting here. Alright, box 9 one more time. There we go. Alright, first card is move this one to the back. First card is Jonathan Quick for the Kings. Then we have Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. Oh, actually these are all numbered, aren't they? Let me go. Jonathan Quick is 30 of 99. The Steven Stamkos is 56 of 299. Zdeno Chara for the Bruins. This is red. It's numbered 47 of 49. Nice card for the Bruins. Then we've got a John Davidson for the St. Louis Blues. Numbered 211 of 299. Make sure real quick. Okay. Then first hit of the pack we have for the Kings a Brothers in Arms. This is good. Obviously being in the Stanley Cup. Jonathan Quick and Jonathan Bernier. And this is numbered 16 of 199. Nice dual relic there. There you go. Alright. Next card is a Phenoms. Aaron Palushaj. This is an NHLPA. Little icon, but it's going to go to the Montreal Canadiens. It's numbered 9 of 49. 9 of 49. Nice hit for the Canadiens. And the last hit of the box is going to go to the Vancouver Canucks. It's a Roberto Luongo. Green patch. Numbered 90 of 99. Alright. That is for box 9, or the first box tonight. Now we're going to go ahead and do box 10. See if we can do a little bit better with this one, but some nice hits for the Kings. Okay, this one feels a little thicker. There's a little less room in the package. Hopefully that's good. Okay, pulled a 2 from the back there. There we go. So the first one is a Patrick Waugh, retired the Colorado Avalanche, 68 of 199. Next, for the Montreal Canadiens, Jean Beliveau Cup. It's number 93 of 199. Then we have a John Tavares for the Islanders, numbered 129 of 299. Daniel Alfredson for the Senators, numbered 72 of 299. A lot of cards in this pack here. I think this is the last common card. It's a Brad Park, numbered 67. It's for the Rangers, 67 of 299. On to the first hit for the Rangers. It is a Phenom, Tim Erickson for the Rangers, auto, patch auto, numbered 16 of 299. Next, we have for the Detroit Red Wings, a Pavel Datsyuk patch, numbered 73 of 99. And last hit, another Stanley Cup finalist here. Very nice card for the Devils, Matthias Tiddenby. Really nice patch, 2-color, a lot of stitching. And it's low numbered as well, 12 of 25. 12 of 25. Where'd that number go? Right in the middle. Alright, 12 of 25. So that's it for the 2 boxes, guys. Again, thanks a lot for the bids. Again, I have let me see. As I've been talking about all week, the day has finally come for tomorrow. The 3-box case of the Panini Dominion right here, all sealed up, ready to go. So be sure to take a look at that. I'll make sure to post the link to the auctions down below. And again, thanks a lot for the bids. I will get this auction posted and sent out to y'all very shortly.